I didn't tell it. It's misbehaving.
It's misbehaving. We're doing a little microphone check here because last week I screwed up and lost most of the audio.
Professionals.
Yeah, check out that video. We had a lot of plans for that, and it just did not. It just did not work out. So sorry about that. But how you guys doing today? We're going to be going down to Circles on Apollo Beach. We're going to be putting in at the Williams boat ramp.
Check out the game, watch the Bucs win, go Bucs.
Go Bucs, raise the flag. So we're gonna go down there, we're gonna go to Circles. It's gonna be a great day in the water. It's hot and sunny here.
It's a little toasty, yeah.
A little toasty here in Florida. So we're gonna go down there. We've been to Circles quite a few times. It's one of our favorite restaurants to go to in this area, especially on the water. If you're in the Tampa Bay area, definitely check it out. The food is good. They've got some great docks.
Yeah.
And you know what I didn't get last time?
It's gorgeous. What?
Grouper nuggets. So I didn't get the grouper nuggets last time. So
what did we get?
I got pork belly and spicy scallops. Ooh, the spicy scallops. But
the grouper nuggets are where it's at, folks.
They're really good. So we're gonna do that. Looking forward to it. Just gonna cruise down there, nice and calm. Do some docking there. Get something to eat. Watch the game.
Oh, and we got new dock lines that we're testing out too. So.
Yeah, I got some. Yeah, we'll show you guys our new dock lines that we've got. Also, too, I know we've talked about before our setup with our dry boxes that we had on the boat, those orange ones, they were completely full of water. So I went to Harbor Freight, I got these Apaches. So this way we can put all our gear in here. I got 2 of them, have that in there.
These look cooler anyway. They look like ammo boxes.
Oh, yeah, they do. So they look pretty cool. So mainly, hopefully they keep all the water out. That's the big thing.
Yeah, a dry box with water in it is kind of counterintuitive there.
Yeah, it's not cool.
Not ideal.
Yep, so we're gonna bring you guys with us, enjoy the ride, sit back, relax, and
hang out with us.
Yeah, all right, let's do it. Peace. All right, so that didn't work out. All right, let's get going.
Hopefully we get our spot at the bar before then.
We better, shoot. We made this trip for nothing.
We should get some lines ready.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be running on there? We're gonna go with these boys today.
All right.
These are
that's pretty. I like the navy.
The navy blue.
Yeah, I like the navy.
These are 15-footers. We will do these. Cool. That. What kind of lines, dock lines, do you guys use? I don't think you can ever have enough line, so we've got more that we're adding.
We decided to beef up our stash.
Get our line game going on. Test these boys out. We're gonna head on over there to where those yellow umbrellas are at. See what I'm not seeing any boats there in the front, really. Some over there at Finn's. So it should be easy. We don't have much wind and wave and all that stuff. Yeah, so this side, yeah, if we shouldn't do the front, we can do the sides there. That's perfect.
My vision, I won't be able to see if there's any availability.
Yeah.
You know, you'd have to tell me.
Well, I couldn't tell myself, so we can do that.
I wonder what this is, babe. Oh, yellow flower.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Not sure what that is. The beach lounge at Circles Outdoor Cocktail Lounge.
Yes?
Yes.
Oh, look at the crane right there.
Yep, yep.
Where you going,
Gigi Wiggles.
Gigi Wiggles.
She has an ad, babe.
It's her Instagram.
Oh, Instagram. All right, all right. Oh. So cute.
She's still
If you're boating around Apollo Beach, you gotta check out Circles Waterfront Restaurant. Super easy docks, laid back vibe, and the food, next level. We shared the grouper bites, I had the scallops, and Kim went big with the seafood princess. All seriously good. Cold drinks, great views, and waterfront dining done right. Circles is always a solid stop. All right, so we're just finished up there at Circles. That was good. Circles is a really good restaurant.
It's a great spot.
Great spot. I mean, the food's great.
Yep. Food, atmosphere, we got the marina here.
The marina here, let me show you.
You'll notice in when you go to the restroom in Circles, there's a shower in there, and that's common of
the
marina.
marinas, yeah. But this is a great location, and it's one of our favorites. Watch the Bucs game, get some really good food.
Pretty close to home.
Pretty close to home. So now we just have to hope that the Bucs are going to hold that lead.
Hold the line, yeah.
Yeah, so they're going to hold that lead. So when we get back, they're going to win because both these teams are 7-7. By the time you guys see this, we'll see who wins. We'll know who wins. We already know. Who wins.
We know.
Yeah. So hope you guys like this video. Definitely a fun one. We're going to talk to you guys more about these dock lines and all that. But thank you for watching. We appreciate you, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Can I tell you that